everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy. I'm a realtor here in San Antonio, Texas with Keller Williams Heritage, and I wanted to take you on another fun house tour today. This time we're going to look at another home that's listed at $380,000. If you watched my last video, that one was also $380,000. It was a brand new build. It was about 1,900 square feet. This one's 3,244 square feet for $380,000. It's a 5-bedroom, a 3.5 bath. It's located on 0.14 acres, and it is here in the Wild Horse subdivision of San Antonio over on the west side. It's a really popular area. I actually don't live too far from here, and it's just a wonderful community. It's got 2 rec centers, beautiful pools, beautiful sports court, sports field. The schools are also really conveniently close too. If you've got a family with little ones, this is the place to be. I talk to you as I go through the house, and just like you were here with me doing a tour, and I hope you enjoy that. Let's get it started. So as we enter the front foyer here, we immediately have the dining room area here to our right side. It's a really big room too. Really nice. The floors are really beautiful. And the seller has requested that we take our shoes off because they have brand new carpeting in here. So we will abide by their request. And so there's a dining room. And I don't think I'm gonna go in the kitchen just yet here. Let's show you what's in the front area. So immediately in the front here, you have your laundry room. Another nice size space here. And you have a nice little storage rack in there. Keep your items out of the way. You could probably put like a fold down table too if you want something to fold your clothes on. Oh, this is something I absolutely love in the front entry. And you would be surprised that a lot of homes don't have this, but nice storage closet or coat closet as you come in, and it has a lot of room in here, so you can put all your shoes and organize everything great in the front entry. And then back here you have your half bath. Nice, everything looks really good, really clean. They did a really good job of prepping this house. You have the garage. Let's take a look in there real quick. And so you've got a water softener over here. That's really nice. Love you some paint. You've got your hot water heater right here. Garage door opener. Let's see if that works. All right, moving on. Let's go into the main living area. Wow, this is really nice. So the floors are in pristine condition. Wow, nice. It's in beautiful shape. And then over here, you've got your breakfast nook area, a smaller dining area. And let's move into the kitchen here. Got these beautiful quartz countertops. It's very popular right now. As you can see, all the cabinets are in really good shape here. Looks like they added nice new hardware to that. Electric stove. You have a nice pantry area here. Oh, that's awesome. Every kitchen should have one of these. And so let's step back here and just take a broader look here. You got lots of counter space here to work. As you can see, yeah, you got lots of room here to do your cooking. And the refrigerator, I'm not sure if that conveys, but that's something that you could ask for if you want to include that with the home. As you can see, this goes right into the main dining room here in the front of the house. Very convenient. Okay, we're gonna sweep around here, get another look at the family room from another angle. Moving along here, we have our primary ensuite downstairs, which is wonderful. You've got a beautiful bay window on the back of the house here, overlooking your beautiful yard. There's level blinds throughout. So here's a look at the bedroom. Everything is really clean. Brand new carpeting throughout. Let's go take a look at the ensuite bathroom. Oh, this is nice. You've got dual vanity sinks here. Oh, this is great when the toilet's by itself in private, so you guys can both come in here and get ready at the same time if you've got a spouse or significant other with you. And then over here you've got your garden tub. Very nice and clean. We've got our shower with our rain head. And then in here we have a really large walk-in closet here, so you have lots of space for all your clothes. And yeah, you've got, I'm trying to get back here into the corner, but lots of space in here. Really nice. Everything's nice and clean. Hey. Let's head on upstairs. Let's take a look at what it looks like from down here. All right, there's a lot to explore up there, so we better get going. And these stairs feel really nice and cushy underneath my feet. Nice carpeting, nice padding underneath it. So let's do a pan around up here just because there's a lot to look at. This is your overlook of the foyer area, the front of the house. You've got bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, the open loft area, bedroom number 4, and then 5 is over here, but we'll take a look at that later. Let's start over here with bedroom number 2. Let's go into the back here, pan around. Nice space. And you have a Jack and Jill bathroom here. So between these 2 bedrooms here, you've got this Jack and Jill bath. That just means there's a shared bathroom in between, but they have their own vanity and walk-in closet. Well, it's a small walk-in closet, but it is a walk-in closet. There's plenty of room there to put all your belongings. All right, and then inside here, you'll have your shared shower, bath, and toilet. So whoever is in here is gonna close the door and lock it. Okay. And again, everything shows very, very clean in here. They did a really good job of setting everything up. And you've got the same vanity on the other side in reverse. Same closet space here on this side. Okay, moving on to bedroom number 3. This one faces the back of the house. It's the same size as bedroom number 2 in the front. These are the smaller bedrooms, but they're still pretty big, so they're not small by any means. All right, let's head into the loft area and take a look at that. So this loft is very large. You won't have any problem fitting whatever furniture or toys or whatever it is you decide to do with this space up here. You can make it into a home theater. What would you do with this big open space here? You've got so much room here to work with. Nice ceiling fan. This is what this looks like from up here. Looking down. Nice chandelier. All right, let's head into bedroom number 3. sorry, this is bedroom number 4. This one is very large. This one's bigger than the first 2 upstairs that we just saw. Very nice. Looks like the paint touch-ups are a little mismatch. Not a big deal. It's really easy to get some paint and just freshen it up and make it the color you want it to be. But yeah, this room is really, really big. And then here you've got a large walk-in closet. All right, let's move along. All right, let's head into bedroom number 5. This one's just as big as that last one. This room's a little bit darker. If you don't want it so dark, you can lighten it up. Bring a little bit more light in here, but it's really nice if you want it to be more of a subdued, relaxing color. And here you've got this nice little seating area. You can put a little cushion there, sit here and relax, read a book, look out front at the trees. It's a beautiful day out there. It's hot, but it's really nice out. And then here you also have a large walk-in closet. This one is just as big as that last one we just saw. Yeah, this room's pretty much identical in size as the last one. So yeah, guys, you won't be hurting for space in this house. All right, and then here we have a storage cabinet or closet. Keep all your towels and blankets and sheets and all that stuff in there. Lastly, we have our shared bathroom. So this would be the bathroom that would be shared with bedroom 4 and 5, or whoever's using the loft area. And here you have your HVAC unit. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the inside of the house. We're gonna head back downstairs and take a look at the backyard. All right, let's go take a look outside. This backyard space is so cute. They did such a great job out here. And not only did they make this wonderful patio area with these canvas curtains here for some shade and privacy, but you also have this wonderful garden shed right here. Wow. This is a large space as well. Oh, this is great. You can fit all your lawn equipment in here, or just make this like a work shed or a she shed. Use your imagination. It's got a little mini loft area up there for storage. And this looks fairly new. This is not an old structure. There's your air conditioning unit over there on the side. And we're gonna take a walk around the back here to the other side so you can see what that looks like. The roof is composition shingles. They do look newer. All right, guys, that is going to conclude today's tour. I hope you enjoyed taking a look around this wonderful home. My impression of it was that it was very clean. It showed really well. The only things that I could see that were, things that other buyers might notice would be the paint might need to be redone in some spots. Other than that, maybe the shower head could be replaced. I had some hard water in there, so if you can't get that clean, replace that. Definitely did a really good job of getting this home ready for being shown, and I don't think it's gonna last very long. If you guys are interested in more information on this house, comment Wild Horse in the comments. Thanks for coming along today, and we'll see you in the next one. That was a great house. Yeah, I'm impressed. One quick stop before I go home. I wanted to show you guys what the community center looks like here. That's located closest to this house. So let's go take a look at what this community park offers. A really large playground here, and then there's one behind it as well for the smaller children. This is a very large recreation center here. Just a huge open field area. But there is a basketball court over here. Lots of picnic tables and grills to come out here if you want to have a picnic. Next to the basketball court, you have a dog park over here. And you've got a playground here for smaller children, it looks like. And then there's this really large field in the back here where I see kids playing soccer. They have soccer games here, some baseball. Or you can just come out here and run your dogs, whatever you feel like doing. Nice pavilion here if you want to come have a party. And then over here you've got your pool area. As you can see, there's a lot to do around here, and it's a great community located close to tons of shopping. There's over 60 stores and restaurants located in the Alamo Ranch area around here. Major grocery chains, you have your H-E-B and Walmart's close by here. So you're not gonna hurt for trying to find supplies around here. Pretty close to the 1604 highway, so if you've got to get to work in the morning, it's not gonna take you too long to get to that. Thank you for coming along. If you want any more information, make sure you reach out to me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.